Honk Jr. is the heartwarming retelling of the classic fable, The Ugly Duckling. Witty and hilarious, but also deeply moving, Honk Jr. is sure to delight audiences of all ages. Being different is not that bad.
If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport each season's look will fall flat on their ass. Ask your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you